Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Pasha. Let us start our today's class. Name of the chapter is Lines and Angles. Lines and Angles. In this class, we are going to discuss about pairs of angles. The first one is complementary angles. Complementary angles. What are complementary angles? When the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. Let us observe one example. Here one angle it measures 60 degrees and another angle 30 degrees. Find their sum. 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. These are complementary angles as the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. Let us observe another example. Here one angle is 70 degrees and another angle is it measures 40 degrees. So 70 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 110 degrees, which is not equal to 90 degrees. Okay, these are not complementary angles as their sum is not equal to 90 degrees. Here in a pair of complementary angles, we can also say that the complement of 60 degrees is 30 degrees and the complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees. Here what do you notice here? Each angle in a pair of complementary angles is always acute, which is less than 90 degrees. Let us observe another example. Two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. Find them. Here, let one angle be x degrees. The complement of x degrees is 90 degree minus x degrees. These two are complementary angles and they are also equal. Find them. According to the problem, x degree is equal to 90 degrees minus x degrees. When we transpose this minus x degree to the left hand side, minus quantity becomes plus quantity. X degrees plus x degrees is equal to 90 degrees. 2x degree is equal to 90 degrees. X degree is equal to 90 degree by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 45 degrees. Each angle measures 45 degrees. As their sum is equal to 90 degrees, they are complementary angles, they are also equal. Now let us move on to the next pair of angles, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Let us observe this example. Here one angle it measures 120 degrees, another angle it measures 60 degrees. Find their sum. 120 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. These are supplementary angles as their sum is 180 degrees. Now we can also say that the supplement of 120 degrees is 60 degrees. Now let us observe another example. One angle it measures 140 degrees. Next another angle it measures 100 degrees. Now are this pair of supplementary angles? These are not a pair of supplementary angles because as their sum is not equal to 180 degrees. 140 degree plus 100 degree is equal to 240 degrees, which is not equal to 180 degrees. These are not a pair of supplementary angles. Now what do you notice here? Here each angle in a pair of supplementary angles is always either acute angle or an obtuse angle or right angle. Let us see another example. Two angles are supplement to each other and are also equal. Find them. Let one angle be x degree and another angle is 180 minus x degree. The supplement of x degree is 180 minus x degree. According to the problem, x degree is equal to 180 degree minus x degree. When we transpose any quantity from either LHS side to RHS side, RHS side to LHS side, minus quantity becomes plus quantity. X degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree, and 2x degree is equal to 180 degree. X degree is equal to 180 degree by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. Each angle measures 90 degrees, and their sum is equal to 180 degrees. They are supplementary angles and are also equal. Next, pair of angles, adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Two angles having adjacent angles. Two angles having common arm and common vertex. Here observe this. Vertex O and A, B, C are the arms. OA, OB, OC are the arms. Here angle AOB, angle 1, angle BOC, angle 2. Here observe these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. They have common vertex O and common arm OB. These two are adjacent angles. Let us observe another example. Here P, Q, R, S. Here observe angle 1, angle 2. These are having common vertex O, but there is no common arm. These two are not a pair of adjacent angles, but here angle 1 and 2 are a pair of adjacent angles. Linear pair. Let us move on to the next pair of angles. Linear pair. What is linear pair? A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees straight angle. A pair of adjacent angles. Here one angle measures 140 degrees, another angle 40 degrees. As their sum is 140 plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. These two are adjacent angles and their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So this is called a linear pair. Let us move on to the next pair of angles, vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other, the angles that are formed opposite to each other at the point of intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 angles formed. Here angle 1 opposite to angle 3 and angle 2 opposite to angle 4. Here angle 1 comma angle 3 are a pair of vertically opposite angles. Next angle 2 comma angle 4 are a pair of vertically opposite angles. Next, another example. Find the angles in this figure. These two lines are intersecting each other, and here one angle X, this is Y, and Z. Here 100 degrees. The measure of this fourth angle is 100 degrees. Now as angle Y 100 degrees are vertically opposite angles, Y degree is equal to 100 degrees because they are vertically opposite angles. Here observe this X degree plus Y degree. X degree plus Y degree, they form a linear pair is equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair. Now as we know that Y degree, Y it measures 100 degrees. X degree plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then X degree is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which measures 80 degrees. Angle X measures 80 degrees, and X and Z are both vertically opposite angles. X and Z, they both measure 80 degrees. These are vertically opposite angles. Here angle X and Z are vertically opposite angles. Angle Y and 100. They are vertically opposite angles.